Hello everyone, I am Professor Mahendra Ramdas Thomre, G Society's NB Mehta Science and Commerce College Boarding, Taluka Dahanu District Palghar. Today's my topic is aromaticity. So, what is the aromaticity? So, aromaticity word is from aroma. So, aroma means the pleasant smelling compounds. The pleasant-smelling compounds which involve in electrophilic substitution reaction are known as aromatic compound. That is means aromatic compounds which having pleasant-smelling compound and electrophilic substitution reactions. So there are cyclic compounds are classified into three types. So first one is aromatic, second one is anti-aromatic, and third one is non-aromatic. So these are classified on the basis of different conditions. So now we are studying aromatic compounds. So what is mean by aromatic compound? So first condition for aromatic compound is molecule is cyclic and planar. In cyclic molecule, every cyclic atom must be unhybridized orbital. I am giving you a structure of unhybridized orbitals. In unhybrid orbital undergoes sideways overlap. In the above structure, unhybrid orbital sideways overlap I am showing you. Cyclic molecule consists of pi conjugation. During sideways overlap, continuous delocalization of pi electrons required. That means there is delocalization of pi electrons. That means there is resonance. The molecule accepts 4n plus 2 pi electron rule. That is the Haeckel's rule. So Haeckel says that when molecule contains 4n plus 2 pi electron, it is called as aromatic, and when it contains 4n electrons, then it is anti-aromatic. So here 4n plus 2 pi electrons, we have taken a n is equal to integers 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. When we are taking n is equal to 0, so in the formula 4n plus 2, 4 into 0 plus 2, it gives 2 pi electrons. When n is equal to 1, it gives 6 pi electrons. When n is equal to 2 and 3, then it gives 10 pi and 14 pi electrons. So the molecule consists 2 pi, 6 pi, 10 pi, 14 pi electrons, etc. It is aromatic compounds. As delocalization of molecule increases, stability also increases. That means more delocalization, more stability of the compounds. So aromaticity is directly proportional to the stability of compounds. So here some of examples of aromatic compounds. The first one is the naphthalene, second one furan, indole, pyridine, tropylamine, cyclopentadiene anion, and cyclooctatetraene is not aromatic because of it is having a tub-shaped molecule. So it disturbs its planarity. So second is anti-aromatic. So we are now studying the criteria of anti-aromatic compounds. So first one is molecule is cyclic and planar. It is same as the aromatic compounds. So most of the anti-aromatic uh, conditions are same as the aromatic compound. The second one, in cyclic molecule, every cyclic atom must be unhybridized orbital sp2 or sp. So it is also same as the aromatic compound. The cyclic molecule is unhybridized orbital, and this unhybrid orbital undergoes sideways overlap. That is already I am showing in that structure. During sideways overlap, continuous delocalization of pi electron required. It is also same as aromatic compound. Delocalization of pi electron means that is possibility of resonance. The cyclic molecule consists of pi conjugation. It is also same as aromatic compound. Cyclic molecule consists of pi conjugations. So molecule accept 4n pi electron rule. That is, Haeckel says that when it contains 4 pi n pi electron, then it is anti-aromatic compound. If n is equal to integer, that is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. When 4 n is equal to 0, 4 into 0 is gives 0 pi electron. When n is equal to 1, it gives 4 pi electron. And n is equal to 2, it gives 8 pi electron. As delocalization of molecule increases, stability decreases in anti-aromatic compounds. So anti-aromaticity is inversely proportional to the stability of the compounds. So here are some of the examples of anti-aromatic compounds. That is the pyrazole, oxazole, isooxazole, thiazole, isothiazole, 1H indole, 2H isoindole, 9H carbazole. So next is the third one, non-aromatic molecule. So everyone knows the little bit non-aromatic. The name suggests that non-aromatic means it not contain aromatics and not contain anti-aromatic conditions. So that is the molecule is not aromatic and not anti-aromatic. The molecule may be cyclic or non-cyclic, planar or non-planar. It will depends on conditions. So cyclic atom may be sp, sp2, sp3 atoms. Every cyclic atom may or may not have an unhybrid orbitals. They accept both 4n plus 2 pi and 4n pi electron rule. So it is accepted both the rules, may or may not. Molecule may not have conjugation or having a conjugation. That means it is having a resonance or not resonating structure. The stability of molecule are intermediate between aromatic and anti-aromatic molecules. That means the stability of non-aromatic molecule is little bit greater than aromatic. So stability is aromatic compound is more stable than non-aromatic compounds, and non-aromatic compounds are more stable than anti-aromatic compounds. So now we have to study homoaromaticity. So what is meant by homoaromaticity? The cyclic molecules having sp3 atom or carbon with similar stability as that of aromatic compounds. The cyclic molecules having continuous pi delocalization by passing sp3 atom are known as aromatic molecules. So one of the sp3 atom is bypassing, it contains delocalization of electrons. So every homoaromatic molecules are aromatic, but every aromatic molecules are not homoaromatic. So homoaromatic molecules contains one of the passing sp3 and then it is cyclic continuous pi delocalization, but in aromatic condition it is not possible, that is passing a sp3 atom. So this is the example of homoaromaticity. So here one carbon is, that means one sp3 carbon atom are passing and then there is formation of delocalization. So here is difference between aromatic, anti-aromatic and non-aromatic compounds. So usually aromatic compounds are stable and anti-aromatic are unstable. Then both are cyclic, both are conjugated, and aromatic compounds is 4n plus pi electron, and here is anti-aromatic is 4n pi electron system. Both are flats. If in this four condition any one of the condition is failed, then it is called as non-aromatic compounds. So here is the aromatic compounds having an example of benzene, anti-aromatic is cyclobutadiene, and non-aromatic is cyclooctatetrene. So the energy is stability of energy is resonance energy of 36 kilocalorie for aromatic. Then only stable below is anti-aromatic minus 100 degrees Celsius. And here is cyclooctatetrene that already I am told you adapt the tub-like shape to escape anti-aromaticity. So, so we have already completed aromaticity in aromatic compound, non-aromatic compound, anti-aromatic compounds. Also the stability of aromatic compounds and non-aromatic compounds and anti-aromatic compounds. Also the Hakel's rules. By the rule says that the aromatic compound is having 4n plus 2 pi electron system and anti-aromatic city is 4n pi electron system. So thank you.